Lecture Education solved PPSC paper 100% correct answer with 100% correct statement. 27/12/2020 को ये पेपर जो है ये कंडक्ट करवाया गया और इसके 100 MCQs हैं. Out of 14 highest peak of the world, Pakistan has how many peaks? 5. Quora is also famous for call. Al-Nahl is a surah in Quran. The meaning of Al-Nahl is honey bee. बाल सफ़ेद होना, ये उर्दू का मुहावरा था कि धूप में बाल सफ़ेद होना, तो इसको कहते हैं कनाया. ज़िक्र इकबाल की बुक है मजीद सालिक. डॉटर ऑफ द ईस्ट बुक इज़ रिटन बाय बेनज़ीर भुट्टो ने लिखी थी. फास्ट टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर मेमोरी इज़ कैच. हु डिसाइडेड टू फाइट अगेंस्ट द डिनियल ऑफ ज़कात? हज़रत अबू बकर सिद्दीक रज़ी ताला अन्हो. फर्स्ट सेंटर ऑफ टीचिंग एंड प्रीचिंग एजुकेशन एंड लर्निंग इन मक्का. फर्स्ट जो सेंटर था वो दार अरकम था. फर्स्ट मॉस्क इन द इस्लामिक हिस्ट्री वॉज कुबा मस्जिद. टेम्परेरी मेमोरी इन कंप्यूटर इज़ रैम. USB मीन यूनिवर्सल सीरियल बस. कंप्लीट द सीरीज़ 3, 5, 10, 12, 24, 26 की जो कंप्लीट सीरीज़ थी वो 52 थी. A class has 3 times boys than girls. Which number can not be the total? 42. Who was Ibrahim Ashram, king of Yemen? In which surah of Quran the reading, writing, memorization is mentioned? Surah Alaq. How many officially languages of South Africa? 11. In 1969, which category was added for Nobel Prize? Economic. Replace the word in sentence. The school management asks students shall their identity for enrolling, his or her. Babul Islam called Sindh. Effective interaction with a group to guide them to accomplish a task known as leadership. First South Asian country to sign the huge convention of civil aspect of international child education, Pakistan. Milk purity judged by lactometer. 960 K to byte, 960 multiply 1024. Jinger region is acid base. Pakistan brought Gwadar from Oman in 1958. Fasle Rabbi season began in October to December. The purpose of integrated curriculum is to decrease the number of books, provide ongoing feedback to improving teaching, refer to formative assessment. Who classified the learning direct experience in 3 forms? Agerdale. Moral development theory by Kohlberg. A hypothesis is plants survive in the water in the quantitative is salt in water with this dependent variable is quantitative of salt in water. Authentic knowledge is realism is based on empirical knowledge. The philosophy is based on entire change, reconstructionalism. Problem solving method given by John Dewey. Progressivism related which of the traditional philosophy? Pragmatism. Zone proximal development is what a child can do. The methods accessible for converting resources into product. Technological dimension. Which curriculum is not teach in school? Null curriculum. कुछ हिडन करिकुलम कहते हैं बट इसका करेक्ट आंसर इज नल करिकुलम. Variety of instruction strategies to address the different needs of student is individualized instructions. Teacher and counselor are used to solve local problems in action research. जो क्लासरूम के हवाले से करवाई जाती है वो लोकल प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, वो एक्शन रिसर्च कहलाती हैं, फौरी तौर पर जो एक्ट किया जाता है। मैस्लो थ्योरी, द नीड फॉर प्रेस्टीज एंड फीलिंग्स अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट इज esteem needs. Pedagogy in the study of teaching method. Students are passive in lecture method. Population has an equal chance being selected to participate in the study the researcher. Random sampling. Subject centered curriculum is involved around content. Idealism, schools are expected to be based on traditional approach. The value of coefficient shown result find out through coefficient. The high achiever and low achiever scores are called discrimination index. To grasp the meaning of material by translating it's called comprehension level, जो cognitive domain का second level है. CAI stand for Computer Assisted Instruction. In PowerPoint is left panel bar which is not present. Notes. Memorizing, recalling, concern with knowledge. Cognitive domains का first level है knowledge. To design a laboratory of a student in which cognition level. Synthesis. Overthrow, to text to overview, skimming. Taking in new information into our existing in schema. Assimilation. One test score tend to compare with future test, it's called predictive validity. वैलिडिटी की एक टाइप्स है प्रिडिक्ट वैलिडिटी, जिसमें फ्यूचर के बारे में हम स्टूडेंट्स को पता लगा सकते हैं स्कोर से. द ब्लूप्रिंट इज रेफर टू द टर्म टेबल ऑफ स्पेसिफिकेशन. पोर्टफोलियो इज एन असेसमेंट टेक्निक. 2-0 included in ratio scale. Age, time, space and distance included in ratio scale. The manageable persons are subordinators, a supervisor's span of control. The system in which report one-to-one and direct to supervisor is called unity of command. A predetermined body of skills, ability and knowledge taught to all students in core curriculum. Teacher perform practically and explain in demonstration method. A sampling technique with the show asked to refer to other, it's called snowball sampling. Through sample, the result of a study to be generalizable is referred as over the population, it's called population. To determine the value or worth in evaluation. According to Piaget, at the age 6, children can symbolize the object. Right order of sub-level of effective domain of Bloom taxonomy. First level is receiving, responding, valuing, organizing and characterizing. Psychomotor domain was classified by Simon in 1972. In solo taxonomy, to go to beyond the given information in extended abstract level. Emphasis is given to lecture method is philosophy of Prenalism. Computer network which is used within a building is called LAN. Prenalism curricula is focused on everlasting. साइकोमोटर डोमेन डील विद मैनिपुलेटिव एंड मोटर स्किल्स. जो हमारी फिजिकल बॉडी के साथ ताल्लुक़ होता है वो मोटर स्किल्स कहलाती हैं. जर्नल टू स्पेसिफिक थ्योरी इज डिडक्टिव. यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ द पंजाब वाज इस्टेब्लिश इन 1882. द करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ बिहेवियरल ऑब्जेक्टिव आर ऑब्जर्वेबल एंड मेजरेबल. हम ऑब्जर्व भी कर सकते हैं, मेजर भी कर सकते हैं. How much knowledge gained through sense of seeing या observation? 75%. How many basic components of curriculum are? 4. Learning level of cognitive domain has right sequence. First level is knowledge, comprehensive, application, analysis, synthesis and evaluation. MEU College was elevated to Aligarh University in 1920. Scientific research stages are: first stage is defining problem, formulative hypothesis, analysis and conclusion. Council and technical education was recommended in Educational Conference 1947. The behaviorists are interested in action, which is true about lesson plan except to develop by students. Symposium is a type of discussion method. The father of progressive education movement, John Dewey. Socratic method has known as question answer method. In an experimental research study, the primary goal is to identify the effect produced by independent variable. The most important factor in critically examining about existence is likely to be ontology. Coordination of same subject in different grades, vertical organization. The containers is more important to keep the content ceiling. According to Piaget, children develop abstract logic and reasoning skills during formal stage. Psychological foundation of curriculum plays the role keeping in the view learners' interest, needs, ability, all of above. It provides a platform for students to acquire functional skills. Activity curriculum. Who was president in 1947 Education Conference? Fazlur Rahman. एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड जितने भी लेक्चर्स हैं, अगर आप उनकी वीडियोस जो हैं वो देखना चाहते हैं तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।